Good morning to everybody. Now, I just to say thank you to all subscriber of me and to all you are watching of all videos of mine. I is always repeating and repeating to tell to you to say thank you very much. And you still likes and love to my simple video here in Baghdad. And now I'm here already. It's almost 5:35 a.m. here in Baghdad, in the balcony of Sisi. I start cleaning na because there is no school and the sun is still very warm, so it's nice to clean, diba? So as of what I'm telling to you, thank you very much, and keep safe lagi, be careful, and always be happy. Sometimes I'm not in a good mood with my face because of my teeth. Thank you. I'm very sorry if I letting to see you, to show my teeth. My teeth is very perfectly. It's okay. But thank you again once again. I'm just making a short story or chika about me. The important that we're still alive, we're still in a good health, and I'm just letting to see some words for us, for everybody, sa buong mundo, to the all nationwide, that always God with us, and they provide everything what we need every day in our life. And all say thank you kung anong meron tayo. Thank you very much, and God bless us all, and be healthy. Yun ang pinaka-importante talaga lagi. Yun ang sinasabi ko sa inyo at para sa sarili ko rin, that take care to our individual health, because health is so good and so important while we are living in this earth. Okay? Have a nice day. Happy weekends again. At I wish hindi kayo magsasawa sa panonood sa mga videos ko. And be happy. Lagi kong sinasabi, be happy. Even you have major problems about your health or your family living or your work, just trust to God. She can provide everything what we have here habang nabubuhay pa tayo sa mundo nito. Kaya ulitin ko, daghang salamat at daghang salamat talaga. Thank you very much. Bye! Shout out to all subscriber and sa lahat ng mga tao sa buong mundo, nationwide. Bye and thank you.